Are you new to the MXO oscilloscopes? It can be intimidating learning a new user interface, but with the expertly designed user interface on the MXO3 oscilloscope, learning is a breeze. Do you prefer to view your signals overlaid on top of each other, or is side-by-side more your speed? With the RNS Smart Grid, all you need to do is drag and drop the signals into your preferred format. What happens when you forget where a capability is in the user menu? Don't worry, simply type the capability into the search bar and instantly navigate to the correct menu. Utilize the customizable toolbar to add your commonly used measurements to the top of the scope screen. Here I will add my personal favorite, undo. Set up a zoom window, change the time-based settings, and add measurements all within a few touches. Don't believe me? Check out an MXO oscilloscope in your lab and be using the scope like a pro in no time.